There is no one like Jesus. There is no one like Jesus. I don't care what claims people make. I don't care what claims are made by organizations or institutions or religions or religious leaders. There is no one who has power over life and death but Jesus Christ. Who else will you follow but Jesus? If you can follow this man, why would you follow anybody else? Who do you propose as an adequate substitute for the man who can call life out of death? Who's an adequate substitute? Your favorite politician? Your favorite author? Another religious leader? No one else can do this but Jesus. I am stunned. I am stunned how so many people can still call themselves Christians, but have so modified and changed their theology so as to strip Jesus of all of this actual power. There are people who call themselves Christians who say the resurrection is a metaphor, it's not literally true. The virgin birth is a metaphor, it's not literally true. The miracles are the way ancient stupid people understood things that they couldn't understand. Why would you call yourself a Christian and follow a man who has no more power than you do? Told you have to put up with this every now and then from me. Progressive Christianity is garbage because it is designed around removing this power and authority from Jesus Christ and putting it back on me. Why would I call myself a Christian when I'm trying to follow a man who has no more power or authority than I do? I want to follow this man. I want to walk behind this guy. Whether he raises Lazarus from the dead or not, he is the one who has the power over life and death.